Hello, welcome to my channel Preschool Made Easy. As you know, Christmas is coming, so I have prepared cute Santa Claus for you. So let's start. This is red pastel sheet. You can buy it from stationery shop. I'm measuring 5 inches and make a circle. Cut this out. This circle is of 10 inches diameter. Now cut this circle into half. Make a cone shape out of this half circle. Like this. Now glue the edge of this cone. And fix it properly. Take a white paper. This is 4 by 3 inches. Draw Santa's face on this white paper. This is skin color. Fill this color into the face area. Color red in the cap. These are the gloves I'm drawing. Cut this out. This is done. These are red strips for hands. This is black strip to make belt. I am making buckle from this golden paper. Piece of glitter sheet. Paste gloves on the red strips. Paste these hands backside of the cone. Now stick the face on the right place. Stick the belt downside. Draw a heart on this pink glitter sheet and cut this out. Apply glue on both the hands and paste on the heart. Adjust the hands by pressing gently. Cut the shape out of black paper to make shoes. Fold this inside like this. Apply a little glue and paste it on the cone. You can paste a thermocol ball on the shoes by using a PVA glue. This is how it will look. Now this is a small piece of glitter sheet. I am sticking a golden dory on this. This will look like a gift box. I'm making a Santa Claus who is giving a gift. You can paste this gift on the hand of Santa Claus. Now this is golden paper. Crush a piece of newspaper and keep this in golden paper and make a potli or bag. Press this gently. Tie a ribbon or lace on the neck. Attach this bag with Santa Claus. You can use glue. Hold another hand in the greeting position. This is how Santa Claus look. These are so cute and very easy to make. Thanks for watching my video. Please share with your friends, and subscribe my channel if you had not subscribed it yet. If you have any problem, then ask me in the comment box, and subscribe my channel for more creative videos. Bye bye.